Incremental greetings. Today I have a quick that will save you a lot of time from now on. So you know that in Supermemo you can repair your collection, and especially if you check the detailed. This will take a while. The larger your collection, the more files you have, the longer the repair will take. This scales linearly. Well, there's an easy solution in Windows that you can speed this up. How I will show this to you is I have the same collection twice. Here it's not my genuine collection. I'm using the, you see this, it's a backup number 7. So that's what I will do. Supermemo is my custom folder of my genuine collection, and I synced this some days ago when the collection turned 4 years old. And copy is just a copy I did of this folder. It's exactly the same state. And this was not open because I use a different computer. It's an exact same copy. Then, what do you need to do? I'm going to show you what you need to do, and then demonstrate the effect it has. So I'm using Windows 10. I also did use my computer with Windows 11. It's almost the same thing. So you need to go to Start and Settings. Nice. Then Update Security. Within here, because this is a potato PC, cannot run Windows 11, unlike my laptop. Now you have to go here, Windows Security. Here you go. Then the first option, Virus and Threat Protection. This opens a new window. Nice. And in this section, Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Yes, I know, a lot of steps, but you only need to do this once. And then scroll down until you have exclusions. Click again, Add to remove exclusions. Okay. This is what they have. This is one app unrelated, and this is the directory where I have Supermemo. That means that this only one folder is affected, my genuine collection. The backups are not filtered out, are not excluded on the Microsoft Defender antivirus. That means that I will run this, it will be skipped, excluded, so it should be faster, and I will be running this backup because I know it's the exact same collection in the same state. It won't be filtered out because I specified the folder. So let's do that. I will open Supermemo, my genuine collection, and then only the learning, this collection. Nice. So then I just go straight, repair collection, and I will click detailed. I will check how long it takes. No worries, I will edit this out for your convenience. Here we have the time, but anyways, regardless of that, this is a text file, and on this file there's the time that it takes. Because at the end of the day, Supermemo, the bottleneck is not the file size, but the quantity of files. Because you have a lot of very tiny files, HTML files. So even if my collection is just, I think, not even 1 gigabyte now, it's more than 100,000 files. And well, I'm shooting this. I will be interleaving and working on my laptop. It's just enough, it's not in the screen. In about just 5 minutes, but what I also noticed, usually when I run this, is when the last step, that you go through the folders, this takes the longest. That you are almost reaching the end on the loading bar, and then it stays like 5-10 minutes extra there. Bro, this feels like incremental recording. I'm working on the laptop, and whenever I feel to something is worth mentioning, I just say it. And hopefully with the editing will make sense. So weird. Exactly, that is what I meant. The file space slots. In my case, look at that. It's almost 900,000. This will take a lot. It's been about 10 minutes, and believe me, that's the short, that's the quick version, not the slow one. It's funny, I have been taking a look for a while, and the time passed and so on is not updating for whatever reason. It's really stuck. I check in my laptop. Do you see now it goes quicker? Because now it's just the review repetition history. It will be done in a minute. Now this is generating the file, the text file. Let's see. So, with this technique, theoretically, that's the fast version. No errors whatsoever. Exactly 27 minutes and 35 seconds. I will keep this open. Now, let me change the collection from the copy. And only this, remember, only this folder is filtered out in the Windows Defender. So I will select the copy. This is an exact copy, so I have to select the collection. Okay. You can see it's the exact same place. Cool. Then again, repair collection, detailed. Let's see how long it takes. I remember last time it was at 17 minutes and something when it started the stage of the file slots. So I think, I'm pretty sure I can already say that this will take longer. Okay, it's about time. Remember, 27 minutes, 35 seconds. I'm about to get to this point, and it's still in the references registry. So yeah, I already have proven it's quicker, because basically what's doing is that this, I'm guessing, every time Supermemo has to access the file, Windows will be slower, because it has to check for that there's a wall, something like that. Since now we are bypassing the Windows Defender, this is quicker. Nice. So this time needed 55 minutes to get through the storage slots. Wow. By the way, I was doing now Supermemo for a while. You cannot go more meta than that. Using Supermemo while I record a video about Supermemo. Okay, finally. Just removing the folders. So in both cases, look at the difference. 27 minutes 35 with this trick, and without the trick, 56:37. So, you just cut the time in half at the very least. Oh my god. Also, in case you have more collections and you want to cover all of the collections, it will be as easy as modify this. Hope this has been helpful, and see you incrementally.